And we are at the last assignment of the week. So let's jump right in. I think, aside from the name of this assignment, I think you're going to find this one not too scary at all. So give it a try. I promise it'll be okay. First one, we're going to start with introduction slide. This is going to be pretty easy. This says drag the black dots to the following point. So we've been given two ordered pairs. The word correct will appear when your answer is right. So if you look at the graph, you can see there's two black dots. When I hover over them, I'll be able to move them. What I want to remind you all, everybody gets confused about this all the time. When you graph ordered pairs, remember, an ordered pair consists of two values, an x value and a y value. And if you remember on a graph, there's an x-axis, which goes left to right, and there's a y-axis, which goes up and down. The first number is where this dot sits above the x-axis. The second number is where this dot sits on the y-axis. So when I come over here to this first point, it says 4, -7. I'm going to grab it. If I start at the origin, it means I'm going to go +4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then -7. Because it's negative, I'm not going to go up. It means I'm actually going to go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I will put this on the graph because a lot of people can get confused easily as well. Ordered pairs that are in the first quadrant consist of a positive value followed by a positive value. Ordered pairs in the second quadrant go a negative x value, positive y value. Ordered pairs in the third quadrant have a negative x and a negative y. And ordered pairs in the fourth quadrant have a positive x but a negative y. So if that helps you at all too, you might want to jot that down on a piece of paper. Then we have our second ordered pair, -6, +2. So I'm going to grab that other ordered pair. I'm going to go -6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, +2, 1, 2. Oh, and look, there's that word correct. So I know I did it right. So I can move on. Now, graphing slope. You can see already on this graph, it's got two words. It's got a rise and a run, and it's got numbers. Right now, where this line is sitting, it is sitting at a slope that would be considered 5/9. Because remember, slope is made up of a rise value, or how much the line is going up and down, over a run value, how much the line is moving left and right. So if I need to graph a slope of 3/4, that means my rise needs to be 3, my run needs to be 4. Both of those numbers are positive, so that means I'm actually going to be needing my line to go up and to the right. So if I come back over here to my graph, I'm going to just drag one of these dots. I need a rise of 3. And you'll notice as I do this, all those numbers change, right? So I need to get a rise of 3. There's my rise of 3, but right now my run is 6. I don't want it to be 6. I need it to be 4. So I'm going to stay at this height. And now my run's 5. Now my run's 4. Now I've got it right. Same thing here. Right now my rise is 4. My run is 10. This time I need a slope of -5/2. Positive slope, your line goes up. Negative slope, what do you think that means for your line? Yep, a negative slope means your line is going to go down. So I'm going to need a rise that is negative. So I'm going to grab my purple dot and I'm going to make my line go down. So I got a rise of -3, -4, 5. There's my rise of negative 5. Now I need to go way back because right now I need a run of 2. Can get a little tricky. There we go. Hopefully you're seeing this isn't too super scary. Now, multiple choice. Which one shows a rise of 1, a run of 4? So where it's going to go up 1. Nope, that one doesn't go up 1. That one goes up 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's not that one. This one up 1, 1, 2, 3. Yep, looks like it's going to be this one. This one doesn't go up 1 and over. This one goes down 1 and over 4, but this is a decreasing slope. So I would click that second one. And it says, yes, pat myself on the back, get excited. I'm already 4 slides through. Same thing on here, only now you've got 2 lines. It says make the green line show a slope of m slope of m equals 2 over 0 or undefined. In black, a slope of 0 over 3 or a slope of 0. Now, click here because this is going to open up a document that's going to give you a huge, massive hint. And it'll show you what those 2 lines should look like, what an undefined slope looks like, and what a slope of 0 looks like. Open this. I'm not going to do this one. I want to see how many of you actually open these notes and pay attention to what a 0 slope and an undefined slope look like. Then, now it's going to get a tiny bit trickier because now you've got 2 things to do. So thing 1, you have to take the black point to 5, 1. Then the purple point goes to the slope. So I'm going to start by grabbing the black point and I'm going to take it to 5, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So I did that part. Okay, check. Now I have to do my slope. Now I need a rise of 5, a run of 1. So I'm going to take this. There's my rise of 5. You just come back to where it says a run of 1 and I get the word correct. This is all you're doing on this activity. Okay, you're just following these directions. As I scroll through, I don't know why that is staying there. As I scroll through, you can see I'm going to be doing the same things on each of the slides. It's practicing using slope to graph the lines. This video right here will remind you how to find slope from a linear table. I'll do a quick refresher. We did this not yesterday. You might have done it yesterday in the Math Excel. We did this on Wednesday. Find the slope of the linear function. So on this one, remember slope is rise over run. Rise always goes up and down. Run always goes left and right. And what it's written as in algebra is change over y above change over x. That little triangle means change. I don't know why, but it does. So I'm going to look at how the x values change. -2 to positive, or -2 to 0, 0 to 2, 2 to 4. Yep, so they're changing by a +2. So I can come over here. Here's my x's. So that means my run is going to be a 2. And then 16, 21, 26, 31. Yep, these are changing by +5s. So that should be my slope. Let's see if we're right. Yay! All right, so that is all you're doing. Find one that matches, then you've got a sorting activity, and that's it. Okay? I hope you do well on this. Go back to Echo, type done. Make sure the other ones for this week are finished. Check your ST math minutes or puzzles. You need to have 96 puzzles by Sunday night. And I will see you all Monday. Have a great day.